everybody, I'm Danica on the coast, and I'm here today to show you this beautiful Waterscape condo A314. We're on the 3rd floor of Waterscape, about 7 doors from the sand. This unit is so beautiful inside, and I can't wait to show you around, so come on inside. When you walk into this unit, you walk into our beautiful kitchen area. We keep our kitchens stocked very well with everything that you may need to comfortably cook for your friends and family. You will find most of the luxuries here that you have at home. We don't skimp on kitchen things. So I'm going to show you around in some of the cabinets of some of the things that we have because this will help you for your stay. The first thing we have is our dishes, and we have glass and plastic dishes. We have some platters up here as well. The reason we have the glass and plastic is because we have grills all down by our pools, and glass is not allowed on the pool deck. So you can take the plastic dishes down and cook a meal on the grill with your family while your kids swim. It's a beautiful setup. I will show you also, right here we have some bakeware and a colander, and I have little labels on everything. Oh, pardon my feet, by the way. We're barefooted because this unit's clean, and my housekeeper would get very angry with me if I left footprints, so we come in barefooted. Anyway, we have labels on the cabinets, and so that helps you kind of know where things go and what's supposed to be there. Over in here, we have a little bit of my junk, plus a toolbox and a fire extinguisher. So if something breaks during your stay, we have a nice little setup of tools in here. You're welcome to tighten a screw if you need to do something simple. If you'd rather call me, I'm good with that too. I'll show up and take care of you. In this drawer, we have our silverware and lots of kitchen gadgets. We have some grilling utensils here as well. And here is where you'll find our pots and pans. And then down here, we have some mixing bowls, a mixer, a little bit of Tupperware and storage containers. This little cabinet is pretty skinny, so we don't have a lot of things in here, just a cutting board and these pot holders, which I was going to say go right here. There's usually a drawer right here, but this unit has new cabinets, so we don't have that anymore. We have our glasses right here. And then we have wine glasses and a measuring cup up here. Now, in here, you will find our washer and dryer and more kitchen gadgets. So we have our knife block here. We have a coffee pot. We also have a Keurig, and it's over here behind me. We have a coffee pot and a Keurig because people like to brew coffee in different ways, and so we have both. We also have a toaster here. We have a crock pot, and somewhere in this unit, there's a rice cooker and waffle maker. Oh, Jamie says, I haven't looked high enough yet, but we have a blender up here, but I still don't see the waffle maker, but I'm certain it's here. I'll find it after I do the video. Over here, you will find our laundry center where we have a front load washer and dryer. I know you don't want to do laundry on your vacation, but you probably will, so at least we have a nice setup for you. This is our air conditioner closet in here. I'm not even going to waste my time showing you what's in here, but there's a broom and a dustpan if you need it. And this is our bunk room where we have 2 twin beds. And we do have a nice big smart TV so your kids can watch TV if they wish. Also, I want to point out that this bunk room has a door. Not all of the bunk rooms in Waterscape have a door. Anybody that has one, the owner has installed that door after the build. And this is a really nice feature so your kids can have peace and quiet in a nice dark room. I want to point out also that we have 4 chairs here under the bar, and then we have this table that seats 5. So everybody, this unit does sleep 8 people, so everybody can fit in the dining area together. This is our half bath. Now I'm going to show you the master bedroom. This is a king size bed in the master, and this bedroom opens to the patio. Beautiful views of the Gulf of Mexico from here and of the pool. And we're going to go out on the patio in a minute. I can't wait to show you. Inside the closet, you will find 2 chairs and an umbrella. We do subscribe to beach service, which is 2 chairs and an umbrella set up for you on the beach and taken down every day of your stay. We also provide a kayak and a paddleboard for 1 hour every day of your stay, and it's free. I've already paid for it, and you come here, you just say, I'm in Danica's unit, you give them the unit number, and it will be provided to you. We provide 2 extra chairs and an umbrella because sometimes you may want to stay out past sunset, you may want to watch the fireworks, You may be a snowbird when the beach service isn't running. And so we have 2 extra chairs and an umbrella in here. Also, if you're here in the summertime, it's likely you're going to be with your family, and that's usually more than 2 people. So we have 2 more chairs that you can add to the 2 you already get. So you have a total of 4 for no charge. We also have a wagon. I don't know if you noticed it when we passed by the dining room table earlier, but that wagon can be used to haul down the chairs, the umbrella, the toys, the beach bags, and the cooler, and all the things that you're going to need at the beach. So we try to have a good setup for you. We also have a high chair and a pack and play in every closet. So if you have babies, we're prepared for them as well. And you'll find some things also like an extra fan, an air pump, some board games, and linens for the sofa bed. Come on into the bathroom. This is the master bath where we have a double vanity, a nice big garden tub, and a really big walk-in shower. And this is our guest bedroom, and we also have a king-size bed in this bedroom, and we also have access to the patio from this bedroom. So no matter which bedroom you get, you're going to have access to the patio if you want to sneak out early in the morning or stay out late at night and come in and out without disturbing anyone. Come on this way, and I'll show you the guest bathroom. We have a single vanity in this one, a nice big walk-in shower, and a really nice big tub also. In this living room, there are a couple things that I want to show you. We have 2 beautiful leather couches here. This one has a sleeper sofa in it, but the sleeper sofa does not work. But this sleeper sofa does work. However, I would like to take a little moment in this tour to show you how this works because it is not conventional. So this sleeper sofa opens like this. So when you go to pull this out, that's how you're going to do it. I was perplexed when I first got here. I was like, where's the sleeper sofa? So most of the time you would pull these up, but not here. So you're going to pull it from the back and then put it back the same way. So that's the beauty of watching the tour. You get the inside secrets. Enough about the living room. Let's go check out the beach. Welcome to paradise. This unit has marvelous views of the beach, the pool, the waterfall. I can hear the waterfall. I'm wearing a microphone, so I'm not sure if you can only hear me, but I can definitely hear the waterfall, and it's just the most relaxing and amazing thing. You can also see one of our 2 hot tubs from here. If you look back up this way, you can also see the heated pool. And beyond that is our children's splash pad with a water slide. You can see the pool deck is bustling with people, and that's one of the things that I love about Waterscape. We are so family friendly. There's something here to do for people of all ages. Everything is super nice and well kept. The landscaping is beautiful. I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the activities that we have on the pool deck. Every week we have a movie at the pool. We have a pirate show. We have a rubber ducky race on Fridays where you can buy rubber ducks for $1. And they go around the lazy river, and the ones that win, the top 5, get all the cash that was raised from the purchases of the ducks. I also want to let you know that we have a glow party on Wednesday nights. After the glow party in the summertime, we have fireworks. The glow party has a DJ, and all the kids go down with all their glow toys, and they dance on the pool deck, and then they go out to the beach for the fireworks. You can bring your own glow toys, or you can buy them here for $7 or $8 a piece. They're pretty good toys, so it's a convenient way to just get them when you get here. We also have a bubble party, and we have a poolside bingo, and then we have things on the beach like cornhole, and from time to time we have volleyball. So there's a lot going on here. You really don't have to leave the resort to have a great time. I want to point out some things on this patio. We have 2 loungers, and then we have a nice Hollywood set table for 6, so you can enjoy your meals outside if you choose to do so. And then we have a deck box full of toys and floats. And I mentioned earlier, there's a cooler hiding around here somewhere, probably in the air conditioner closet. That concludes my tour of A314. I hope you enjoyed looking around. I'm Danica on the Coast, and my website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.